Hi everyone, it's me Mark for the Content Creation Studio Academy, and today I'll be going through how to make custom icons for your courses and your membership sites. So you can use these icons for your graphics too, but you don't have to buy them, you can make them yourself. So let's just go through how to do them. And what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be going to my iPad. I started the app Procreate. I just made a few icons before so I could test it out. All you have to do is just make a new canvas. And then I made it square, and I use my Apple Pencil for this, so I'll use my Apple Pencil. I'm on my iPad, so this is how it looks like. And I'll just draw something like, let's just draw something like that, right? And then you can take the eraser and make it a little nicer. So let's just say, yep, this looks okay for me. And then you just remove the background. So let's just, oh wait a minute, I'll just make it a little smaller. Okay, it's better. I'll just remove the background, just turn it off, go to layers, this is the layer icon, turn it off, and then go ahead and share. So you're on share, the blue thing there, that's share, and click on PNG, and then save it. You can save it to Dropbox, you can save it to, if you click on save image, you can save it to your computer, your iPad, or you can send it to your Mac Pro or whatever other computer you have. So I have to do a send it, and then give it a name. So that's how you do a check mark. And let's just do another icon. So I'll just go back to my gallery and I'll make a new canvas again. Let's make it square. And then I'll take another color. Let's just say like something like red. Let's go ahead, and if you stay at the end position longer, it makes it straight. So let's just say you have a curvy line, but if you stay in the end position a little longer, it's going to be straight. So that's how I do straight lines. So this is an X, right? So like when you're doing like a comparison of a product, you say like, don't do it this way or do it that way, or don't buy this and just buy that. Then you can use an X or a check mark for that. And go ahead and click on layers, remove the background color, and again, go to share, and click on PNG. So PNG is a file format that supports the alpha channel. You saw that we removed the background, which means there's no background there and it's transparent. And if you save it as a JPEG, it's going to be adding a background again in white. So don't save it as a JPEG, save it in a data format, in the format that supports an alpha channel. The alpha channel is transparency. So a PNG supports transparency. So that's something that you have to keep in mind. TIFF also supports transparency if you check it on. So the TIFF, sometimes when you save a TIFF, you have to check the check mark on save transparency to or save alpha channel. And here you can just save it to your computer. So I'm saving it to my computer, and don't forget to name it. So you know what the thing is you made, you know. Okay, so that's all for now, and I hope you liked it. I'm closing the chat now, or the live stream. If you know anybody that could that needs this information and wants to know how to do it, just share this video with them. And I got links to the iPad, the Apple Pencil. You have to use the right Apple Pencil, the Apple Pencil 1, or it won't work probably, for the iPad Mini. And I'm filming everything in Ecamm, so that's how I went live and how I did this split screen kind of thing. So just add the iPad to it. And I got links for that all in the comments. So see you soon, and bye-bye.